Welcome, my dear student, in the digital learning class of mathematics. I hope so. The last topic that we discussed, that is conversion of a decimal expansion into rational number, that is clear to you all. So today we are going to start a very interesting topic, that is how to find out irrational numbers between the two given rational numbers. So before starting this topic, let's start some easiest part, that is some short answer type questions. Let's take question number 5. What can be the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digit in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17? 1 upon 17 you need to write in decimal expansion. But my dear student, this is very interesting question. When you start dividing 1 by 17, then after 16th digit you will get once again a repeated remainder. So you can see here I have written maximum number of digit in repeating block of is 16, that is less than 17, and division give us, after dividing you will get all these counting, that is 0.058823529411767, and bar sign represent at 7 you have repeated counting. So this is non-terminating repeating decimal. This repeating block contain 16 digits. Have a look over this division. So you can start in this way. 17 you need to write outside, then put decimal. You can write 10, one more 0 it become 100, then 17, 5 is 85, 150 left downside with the 8 you can do 136, then 140 left, then once again with the 8. In the same way, if you are dividing continuously, then after 16th step you will get the same remainder, that is your 1. Then after 16th step you can put a bar sign that represent it is non-terminating recurring. Let's take next question. This is also a very interesting question. In this question we need to find out without calculating. Can you guess which rational number is terminating or which is not terminating? So my dear student, to find this terminating or non-terminating, here we have a property along q. Q means denominator. Have a look over these examples. 2 upon 3 that you can write in the form of 1 upon 5 after dividing. 7 upon 10 you can write 0.7. 2 upon 5 you can write 0.4. 7 upon 8 you can write 0.875. So all remainders is 0 in these cases, and denominator is 2, 10, 5 and 8. That means in all terminating rational numbers, the denominator is either 2, 5 or their multiple. All their multiple. Like that you can see 2 5 ja 10 combination is there. Or one more condition is there, that is it may be in the case of 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, that means 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8. In the similar way it may be 5 or maybe 5 raised to power 2, 5 have ja 25. In all such cases where your denominator is 2, 5 or multiple of 2 and 5, 5 to ja 10, as well as in the power 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3 like that, or 5 raised to power 2. In such cases you will get always a terminating rational number. Hope so this question is clear to you, how you can find out terminating. Let's take a next, that is write a 3 examples whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. So this is the definition: non-terminating, non-recurring. It means irrational numbers. Here I have given you 3 types of example. First is all the prime number you can write downside of square root, under root 2, under root 5, under root 7, so on. You can select prime number downside of under root where you are not supposed to calculate a exact value of under root. Next is pi. This we discussed number of time. Pi is 22 upon 7. After dividing you will 27 by 22 by 7 you will get different answers. Next category is 0.01, 02, 003, 004. So different answer is the different answers are there. So overall, let's see the last example. 0.03, 003, 0003. You might be thinking here, if it is not repeating, then why there is a 3 again and again? My dear student, you can see here in starting there is a 20 before 3. In the next case there is a 30. In the next case there is a 40. So here you can't say that they are repeating because the zeros are different in between. So have a look over the last question, that is most important. Find the three different irrational numbers between the rational number 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 11. So this is important question, how to find out rational numbers with irrational number between given rational numbers. To solve this, first we need to perform division. You can see in rough area I have divided already both of the part. You need to divide first 5 by 7, then put decimal, it become 50, 7 7 is 49, then it become 10, 7 1 is 7, 3 left 30, 7 4 is 28. In the same series, if you keep dividing it till last, then you will get it is not terminating as well as it is recurring. In second case, we need to divide 9 by 11, then put decimal, it become 90, 11 8 is 88, 2 left, 11 1 is 11, 9 left. You can see once again 9 is there. This is also the case of a non-terminating recurring. So how to write answer, you can see upside. We have given rational numbers 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 11. 5 upon 7 you can write in the form of 0.714285 bar, and 9 upon 11 you can write 0.81 bar. So to find irrational number between two rational number, first task is to convert them into decimal expansion. After converting, next step is to check what are the first two digits, and in both of the cases. Here 5 upon 7 you can see here 7 1 is the first digit, first two digits, and there is 8 1. In simple language you can say 71 to 81 there are so many countings, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. These all are coming in between. That means you can start any example that may start from 72, 74, 78, and you can select. So you can see downside I have selected some examples. There are infinite numbers of irrational numbers between these two rational numbers. We may choose any three of them. First I have selected 0.723456. You can see here nothing is repeated. Second case 742755, 78. Next is 0.78123957. Next is 0.75, 075, 0075, 0075. You can see once again 75 is repeated, but the sets of 0 is different here. As I told you in previous case, repeated means same digit is coming again and again. Next case 76, 0, 70, you can see here 0.76, 076, 00767, 000. Once again 76 is repeating, but the number of 0 is different. In the last case we can take 800, 800, 80008. You can see here after first 800 is there, after second 8000, after third 8 it is 40. This is the difference between rational and irrational number. So you can select, my dear student, any example here, but keep in mind that it is not repeated, and the first two counting, they must lie, first two digits, they must lie in between 71 to 81. I hope so you are able to understand this question. Thank you.